Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by SUCHITA. Je m'appelle SUCHITA, votre enseignante de la langue française et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les expressions avec avoir. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. Okay, so let's just begin with the video and we are going to learn certain expressions which are used only with the verb avoir. But before that, you should know what is the conjugation of the verb avoir, at least in present tense. So repeat after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont et elles ont. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So this is the conjugation of the verb avoir in the present tense. Now, what is the meaning of the verb avoir? The meaning of the verb avoir is to have. So if I say j'ai, it would literally mean I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. So basically the verb avoir means to have. But now the expressions that we are going to do, here, none of the expression has the meaning as to have. So basically if I say avoir faim, it doesn't mean to have hungry. So it means to be hungry. So if you want to say I am hungry, so basically if you literally translate it from word to word, I am should be je suis. Je suis, which is the verb être. But no, we are not going to use the verb être, we are going to use the verb avoir irrespective of the meaning in English. So you say I am hungry, which is j'ai faim, which is not je suis faim. We don't say, that's grammatically incorrect. So you say j'ai faim, avoir faim, j'ai faim. Now if you want to say you are hungry, you would say tu as faim. Or you can also say vous avez faim. He is hungry, il a faim. She is hungry, elle a faim. Bah, très bien. Okay. Avoir soif, to be thirsty. Again, if you want to say he is feeling thirsty or he is thirsty, then you don't say il est. That's the verb être. You always have to use the verb avoir if you are using this expression. So you say il a soif. Il a soif. Now, let's say if you want to say negative, he is not feeling thirsty, then you just put ne and pas. And it will become il n'a pas soif. Il n'a pas soif. I am thirsty. J'ai soif. You are thirsty. Tu as soif. So basically, you should know the conjugation of the verb avoir. If you know it, then you will be able to easily form the sentences. J'ai soif. Tu as soif. Il a soif. Elle a soif. Nous avons soif. Vous avez soif. Ils ont soif. Et elles ont soif. Bah, on continue avec avoir peur. Avoir peur, which means to be scared, to be afraid. So you say, if you have, she is scared of dogs. So you say, elle, conjugaison du verbe avoir, alors elle a peur des chiens. Elle a peur des chiens. So you always say, avoir peur de quelque chose. So that means to be scared of something. To be scared of something, elle a peur des chiens. I am afraid of snakes. I would say, j'ai peur des serpents. J'ai peur des serpents. Serpents, which means snakes. You're afraid of cats. I would say, tu as peur des chats. Okay? So it's always avoir peur de quelque chose. To be afraid of something. To be scared of something. Now, the fourth expression is avoir froid. Avoir froid, that means to feel cold. Now, if you want to say, I am feeling cold. So you will conjugate the verb avoir according to the subject, I. J'ai.
j'ai froid. You will not say je suis froid. You will say j'ai froid, which means I'm feeling cold. Let's say I want to say you are feeling cold. Tu as froid. Bah, bravo, hein. We are feeling cold. Nous avons froid. Or you can also say on a froid, depending upon what subject you want to use. Okay, now the fifth expression that we are going to learn is avoir chaud. Avoir chaud, which means to feel hot. So avoir chaud. Now he is feeling hot. So I say il a chaud. Il a chaud. I am feeling hot. J'ai chaud. You are feeling hot. Tu as chaud. They are feeling hot. Ils ont chaud. Okay? So you have to put the conjugation of the verb avoir. Avoir 25 ans. Now this is just for an example that I have written. You can replace it by any age. So whenever you tell the age, in English how do you tell the age? You say I am 25 years old, or she is 25 years old, or I say you are 25 years old. So I am, you are, it's the verb to be. However, in French you use the verb avoir, irrespective of the meaning again. So you say L-A and not L-A. If you want to say I am 25 years old, so literally I am would be je suis, and je suis is the verb être, which is incorrect. So you don't say je suis 25 ans. In fact, you say j'ai 25 ans. So j'ai 25 ans, tu as 25 ans, il a 25 ans, elle a 25 ans. She is 25 years old. So whenever you tell the age or whenever you ask the age, even for asking the age, what is the expression that you use for asking the age? You say, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Again, it is the verb être. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge a-t-il? What verb it is? It is the verb avoir. So whenever you ask the age or whenever you tell the age, it is always the avoir verb which comes into the role. Now the seventh expression, which is avoir raison. Avoir raison, which means to be right. If I want to say someone, yes, you're right. So how would I say? Oui, tu as raison. So literally, you are is tu es, which is the verb être. But this is an expression which is not used with the verb être. It is used with the verb avoir. So I say tu as raison. Tu as raison. Avoir tort, to be wrong. He's wrong. That means, see, if you want to say someone he's wrong, you can either say he's not right, or else you can say he's wrong. If you want to say he's not right, then you use the verb this expression you will use, il a raison. But now you want to say he's not right, so you put it negative. You say il n'a pas raison. Yeah? But if you want to say he's wrong, then in that case you use the expression avoir tort, and that is il a tort. He's wrong. Il a tort. I'm wrong. J'ai tort. You're wrong. Tu as tort. We are wrong. Nous avons tort. They are wrong. Ils ont tort. On continue avec avoir de la chance, to be lucky. So let's say you won a lottery and you want to say, I'm lucky. J'ai de la chance. She's lucky. Elle a de la chance. You are lucky. Tu as de la chance. Again, you will not use the verb être. It is an expression which is used with the verb avoir. So you say, elle a de la chance. J'ai de la chance. Tu as de la chance. Elle a de la chance. Il a de la chance. Et voilà. Now the last expression that we have to do is avoir mal. Now avoir mal, which means to have pain. Now we'll be learning how do you say I have pain in the head. She has pain in the foot. How would you say that using different body parts? Now, avoir mal is an expression which is followed by the contracted article a. Now, a is a preposition. The contracted articles are o, à la, L apostrophe, et o. Okay. Now, o, which is used for something which is masculine singular, à la, it is used for something which is feminine singular. L apostrophe you use for something which begins with a vowel and of course which is singular, and O you use for something which is plural. Okay. Now, so you say j'ai mal au pied. Pied means your foot. So, I have pain in the foot, or you can also say in English, you also say it as I have footache, yeah, or I have headache. So, j'ai mal au pied. I have pain in the foot. Why did I use O? Because the word pied is masculine and which is singular. The next is tu as mal aux dents. Now, dents, which means your teeth. So, dents, which means your teeth, and why have I used O? Because dents is plural, and O you use for something which is plural. So, tu as mal aux dents, that means you have pain in the teeth. You have toothache. Now, il a mal au dos. That's your dos, back. So, that's something which was masculine singular. So, you say, il a mal au dos. He has pain in the back. And I have, elle a mal à l'estomac. Elle a mal à l'estomac. And if you see, it begins with a vowel and it is singular. So, you use a, l, apostrophe. Elle a mal à l'estomac. She has pain in the stomach. And now if I want to say, let's say I have pain in the head. How would you say that? I have pain in the head. Just mention in the comment section below. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.